My farm is Storybook Farm.
The tamale stand was how our business, Salvador Mali, started.
Winter's Farms is in Troutdale.
This is Roundhouse Hummus. We make all different kinds of hummus.
All right, guys, so in here we have carrots, butternut squash, cauliflower, a lot of the stuff you can find in a farmer's market.
This is the Cincinnati chili, lamb chili, Texan chili, our vegan chili. This is the hot bean with 3 different types of organic beans and 3 different hot peppers in it.
I think over 20 different types of squash, a few different types of sweet corn, we got bell peppers, a few different types of broccoli.
What makes our tamales, in my opinion, so good is mostly the way we prepare the masa, which involves whipping it and getting a lot of air into it. And so the tamales end up being really fluffy instead of dense.
You don't see hummus like balsamic pistachio or smoked salt in the grocery store, and it's something that people really appreciate.
I think one of the things that we pride ourselves about at our farm booth is having vegetables not only year-round, but having like a really diverse mix of vegetables year-round. Diversity is important for the booth, but it's also important at the farm. At the farm, like having blocks of brassicas, having blocks of onions, having blocks of all of the different types of vegetables just creates different kinds of habitat and timing, and just kind of like extends our season and helps the sustainability of our business.
There's nothing that beats like farm fresh produce. There's nothing that beats this farm to table food. You can taste the difference. I will never buy grapes from a grocery store ever again in my life because it just doesn't taste right. It doesn't taste the same.
It spreads community. It shows that we're all one and that we're all in this together and we're doing things that we need and enjoy, and the social aspect of just being a human being and sharing common things.
My business is about 90% farmers market, so having shoppers come every week to spend their dollars with me here on the food that I grow hard, or grow with love and take a lot of work to grow means a lot. It means the success of my business, even on a blustery, rainy day like this.
Yeah, it's fun actually on days like today, because then it's the people who really support our farm are the people who are coming like beyond the fair weather, and so that's a really massively important time to actually show up and be at the market. So this is actually a great day.